lot of people fear going to the doctor. I want my patients to come and feel at home, feel comfortable. As we mentioned before, it's going to be like a more modern clinic. It won't be the old, sterile, white walls type of place. It's going to be somewhere where it's warm and inviting. You see medicine, you see how it's practiced by the big groups, the big hospital clinics, and sometimes the people who make the decision, not sometimes, but a lot of times when they make the decisions, they don't have the patient or the physician in mind. So, okay, y'all want to make the decisions? All right, fine, but at least have us at the table when you're making the decision. But it gets to the point where medicine becomes like a assembly line, and I did not get in medicine to practice that way. So this is a way for me to practice it the right way. And when you have the autonomy, you can do it the way it's supposed to be done. Because the main color is green and gold. And my mom, I would think that she liked various colors, more pastels, more like pinks or whatever. But green and gold was the color of her high school, Walter L. Corn. So and I was always a fan of Corn. I didn't go to Walter L. Corn, I took 3-5, but I was a fan. So the outline, you have the waiting room, the reception and the nurse's station, as you can see, is in the form of a G for Gwendolyn from my mom. That's a walkthrough so they can, the staff can walk around or whatever.
Dr. Sterling has always shown a level of commitment to the patient's care. Every time that I've had the opportunity of seeing him, I've always felt like he had my best interests at heart. I've always felt like it was a personable thing, and that he was able to explain whatever the situation was.
Most people don't die from having diseases, but it's usually a lack of knowledge of knowing how to treat those diseases.
He's always made it clear what the diagnosis may be, but he's also put me at ease.
At some doctor's offices, you're just another number and another copay.
You listen to his patients. You just don't go in and come out. You actually sit there, listen to you, and see what's the main source of the problem.
It's been very informative to make sure that I can leave with the tools to continue to make my health the best that it can be.
It's the sole reason why I continually come to him to this day. Even when there's no reason to see him, I always drop a line to him just to see how he is. It's because, once again, for somebody who's always committed to your health, you obviously you'll get that kind of response to them.
And that being said, Dr. Sterling has always made it a point to put patient care first.
I'm grateful to Dr. Sterling and all the services that he's provided me.
He's a very caring doctor.
And for that reason alone, I wouldn't recommend any other doctor's office or any other physician than
Sterling Family Medicine.
Sterling Family Medicine.